Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we're going to take a look at this 1970 Dodge Challenger RT. It's finished in plum crazy purple, and it is the correct color for the car. Its numbers matching, and we're going to take a look at it. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. But we're going to take a look at this 1970 Dodge Challenger RT. What a beautiful car this is. Like I said, finished in that beautiful plum crazy purple. That's the front end everybody likes right there. Really, really pretty car. Love the wheels and the tires. Doesn't get much nicer than this one. All the interiors in great shape. Really, really looks good. Headliner is in excellent shape. All the doors look good. Shut the door here. We'll take a look inside of the trunk. All inside the trunk's finished. The spare tire and the jack equipment. All in excellent shape there. It's got the sticker, all the mounting for the spoiler. Really looks good, the light works. Shut the spoiler here. Shut the trunk. And Dad's going to... Really sounds good. Deep, deep purple paint on this car. Cut it off here. Plug our old microphone back in. It's got the rally dash. Tack in the dash. Right steering wheel. Everything's just in excellent condition. Really, really looks good. Remote mirror. Shut the door here. We're going to take a look underneath the hood. Like I said, it's powered by a 383, power steering, power disc brakes, factory air. What a beautiful car this is right here. Finished in excellent condition. Doesn't get much nicer than this car right here. I'm going to have Dad help me with the hood just a little bit. Sometimes it can be tricky while you're trying to hold the camera and shut the hood. So he's going to shut it down for me. Nice and easy. Shuts easy. Put the hood pins back in. Just like so. Just like that. We'll take one more quick look at the 1970 Dodge Challenger RT. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. And like I said, we do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take this Challenger out for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1970 Dodge Challenger RT for a test drive and see how it does. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. Perfect day to be driving classic cars. All right, here we go. Oh, we got one more car coming, sorry. gates on us here, Dad. All right, here we go. Runs and drives great, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running, driving car. We're gonna turn around and head back. And like we do every time, I'm gonna have Dad get on it just a little bit, and we'll see what this Challenger's made of.
You know these cars come out and they're automatic, they have a slap stick.
Yep.
So you can slap the shifter.
All right. We're gonna turn around and see what this is made of. I think they have opened up the floodgates on us here, Doug.
Just the time of day.
All right, here we go. Got excellent power, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running, driving car. We are almost back. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page, helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars just like this one. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at CentralKentuckyClassicCars.com. All right, we're going to show you what it looks like underneath. And here's the underneath.